Minister of Finance Winston Jordan has presented a supplementary paper for the National Assembly to approve $3.4 billion for the Guyana Elections Commission to meet the additional costs to hold general and regional elections.
Minister Jordan said the funds will ensure that GECOM has all the resources it needs for the hosting of general and regional elections.
They requested $3.5 billion, and the President had promised that he will give what they requested, so we acted on the President's promise. Once the money is approved, either thing would happen. If the CCJ ruling that the confidence motion wasn't validly passed, then they would not have need for the money unless the President signals such.
He further explained how the monies are expected to be expended by the elections body.
The previous one was for the house-to-house registration. But this will now be actually the whole of the election. The ballot papers, the paying of the 8,000 workers that have to get, the advertisement.
The request is expected to be debated and passed in the National Assembly in the upcoming week. In addition to the supplementary provision being requested, the Interception of Communications Amendment Bill 2019 was considered in the Committee of Supply and passed with amendments. The National Assembly also approved the passage of the Bill of the Affirmation of the Petroleum Exploration Order of 2019 for the tax waiver for the Tullow Oil Guyana. The Finance Minister also read the Procurement Amendment Bill No. 2 of 2019 for the second time and said that it seeks to amend 4 sections of the Principal Act. Minister Jordan moved the bill's second reading for a third time, and it was passed as printed.
Reporting from the public buildings with senior videographer Kenny Ann Bacchus, Anarakan for InfoHub.